Yep.
Like just like heart, like a heart. That's why I said to you, I like the hard-headed ones that want to run every piece of junk in the woods. And I say this in the same sentence. I'll tell you, and then I'll call you 2 days later and say, this trash running piece of junk. I hate that dog.
Yeah.
But I do like the ones that are gonna make something happen.
Yeah.
They're gonna make
And
something happen. I just think they're exciting and they have raccoons when they tree.
yeah. Yeah. And that's what keeps us coming back, is that
Yeah.
that struggle, because hopefully one day at the end of it there's, gonna be a payoff.